Hello boys and girls. For today's STEM activity, we are going to do a bubble lifter experiment. For this experiment, we need a glass, some water, some baking soda, some vinegar, and raisins. About 3 or 4 raisins. So let's begin. First, we pour about half a glass of water, this glass, and then stir in some baking soda in it. About 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Now let's stir it nicely so that it's all dissolved in this water. Next, we will drop some raisins in this. About 3 or 4 raisins. Notice how they settle at the bottom. Do you know why? Because raisins are denser than the water. Now, what will happen if we pour some vinegar in this soda water? Let's see. It fizzes. And our raisins are dancing. So what happens? The bubbles are formed with around the raisins, and then it lifts it up and the bubbles pop. Once the bubbles pop, they go down again, and again the bubbles are formed and they rise up. We can drop some lentils and see if it works the same way. The same thing happens to the lentils. The bubbles are formed around the lentils, it lifts it up, the bubbles pop, and then they go down, and again the process begins. This will continue until the water gets all flat. So we have our dancing raisins. Try this experiment at home with uncooked pasta or other items and see how it works for you, and let us know. Thank you for watching.